I'm Shikah and I create done-for-you coaching workshops and masterclasses using my counseling experience. I have created a Master Your Morning Routine workshop, which you can conduct with your clients via Zoom or in person. You can then sell the masterclass replays on your website if you want to. And this done-for-you masterclass will include 87 brandable slides in Canva, an accompanying 28-page workbook, and also a script, as you can see over here. So all you have to do is literally read the script, click the slides, and record the whole presentation via Zoom, and you're ready to sell the replays or offer the masterclass to your clients. And I hope this will help you with your coaching business. And let's see the slides and script right now.